Hi there, Joe here. Thanks for stopping by the Luvele kitchen and for your interest in our vacuum canister set. The Luvele Fresh Vacuum Canister Set is the original plastic-free vacuum food storage system. We all know how important it is becoming to reduce our plastic footprint, along with the importance of having plastic-free food storage solutions. This is why myself and the Luvele team have designed our Fresh Vacuum Canister Set for our amazing community to enjoy. There are unlimited ways you can use your Luvele Fresh canisters, from meal prepping, preserving leftovers, controlling portion sizes, or simplifying reheating. So let's take a look. Our glass canisters are made with super strong borsilicate glass, which makes them thermal shock resistant, so they are oven safe, microwave safe, dishwasher safe, and can be stored in the freezer. We've designed our glass canisters with 304 food grade stainless steel lids, as well as medical grade toxic free silicone seals, which help to create a reliable vacuum fresh seal. The canisters are also stackable for convenient storage. We have 4 canister sizes available: the 450ml, the 750ml, our 1.3 litre and 2.5 litre. We sell packs of 3 in each size as well, and our pack of 4 that comes with 1 of each size. Visit our website to check out the options available to you. Vacuum sealing our glass canisters is simple with our portable hand pump or with one of our current model vacuum sealers. Our rechargeable battery-powered hand pump comes with a padded storage case and a Type-C USB connecting cable, so you can recharge it with any of your existing USB power adapters or charge points. So let's take a look how to vacuum seal with the hand pump. It's super easy to use. Simply fill up your glass canister, grab your stainless steel lid and put it into place and press down firmly, making sure the air release valve is flat. Then place the silicone seal of your hand pump over the air release valve, and we're going to press down on the start button and hold for 2 seconds and then release. Once that turns off automatically, remove it and your canister is vacuum sealed and ready for storage. To release the vacuum in the canister, simply put your finger on the air release valve and pull across. And then you can remove the lid. Vacuum sealing your glass canisters is just as easy with one of our vacuum sealer models. Grab your included hose connector, placing it in the hose port of your vacuum sealer, pushing down so it's fully inserted. With our Deluxe Pro model, you also need to make sure the Easy Lock handle is in the lock position. Once that's done, place the open end of your hose connector over the air release valve. We're going to push down firmly for 2 seconds while we activate the canister button. We have another demo video which we'll link below that shows our Supreme Vacuum Sealer in action if you want to check that out. Once the vacuum sealer automatically stops, simply remove the hose connector and your canister's ready for storage. If you don't want to create a full vacuum seal with your hand pump, you can create a half seal. Simply grab your lid, making sure the air release valve is open, and then place it on your glass canister and push down firmly. You'll hear the air being removed. Then push down on the valve, and that will create a solid airtight seal, as you can see. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, please email us at support@luvele.com. We'd love to hear from you. For more exciting Luvele product launches and healthy recipe ideas, please like and subscribe to the Luvele Live channel. We'll see you soon.